Override Django User Manager to only return active users and queries. Need a way for calls to user.objects.filter/get to only return user objects with his _active set to true. I tried to define a custom manager and monkey patch it onto the user model, like this. But, when I try to make a call to user.objects.get, I get attribute error column none type object has no attribute _meta. Before I go any further, I want to say that I know that monkey patching like this is very bad form in terms of maintainability. This will be marked to be revisited later, but right now we need a quick solution. Here's the full stack trace, if anyone wants that as well.
It is a requirement to apply the filter to the user model? Why don't you try to subclass this model instead? And code a manager for this one. Or use a proxy model.
Found the answer in this post. Since his question is specific and mine is general, I don't consider them duplicates, but the answer to his question also answers mine.
djangomodels